It's a tough gig being a student these days. Helping to keep them motivated, as well as helping them understand how to learn effectively, has never been more important.
At InnerDrive, we've spent the last 2 decades running workshops to help with this, and they've had great feedback from hundreds of schools. Now we've taken our philosophy on how to run workshops and created our fun, engaging and interactive online academy. It's jam-packed with different modules that will help your students.
Our online student workshops are self-access modules, and what this means is that your students can complete them anytime, anywhere. But if you prefer, we can combine self-access modules with live online sessions as well. And by merging the two, this means your students can get the best of both worlds.
Through a range of modules, we can help your students navigate the year ahead. The learning should never stop, nor does it have to. Through a series of high-quality online workshops at the InnerDrive Academy, your students can thrive in these difficult times.
So if you want to know what modules we cover and to get the very best in online student workshops, please do get in touch with us. We can't wait to hear.